The following video is a TRAK Southwest Industries CNC lathe. It's a model 1630 RX. This unit is new 2020 and it's got the RLX touchscreen control, and Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration.
Okay, we're going to start off with the hand wheel. Basically, we'll go ahead and move the X and see it moving. Back and forth. Do our Z, or sorry, that was X. This is X. Okay. Here we have our rapids. Alright. In order to do the tool change, we're going to close the seal. Hit tool lock. We'll go to tool 8. Hit set. And hit go. That's one tool change. We'll go back to 1. Same process. Hit 1. Hit set. Hit go. So that's our tool change. We'll go ahead and do a spindle test. First, we'll just go forward. We're at 150 RPMs. Before we stop it, we can go reverse. 150 reverse. We'll go forward again. Now we're going to go ahead and ramp it up. It's 450 RPM. That is 1,000 RPM. That is 1,800 RPM. And that is 2,500 RPM, the maximum RPM for this machine. Then spindle off.
Again, the following video is a TRAK TRL 1630 RX CNC lathe, new 2020.